A light year isn't a year at all. It's a distance, and it's the easiest way to read the universe. Light moves incredibly fast, about 300,000 kilometers every second. Keep it going for a whole year and it travels roughly 9.46 trillion kilometers. That distance is 1 light year. Close to home, light doesn't need a year. From the moon to Earth takes about 1.3 seconds, so the moon is 1.3 light seconds away. From the sun to Earth, about 8 minutes, so the sun is 8 light minutes away. When you look at the sun, never with your eyes, use filters, you're seeing it 8 minutes in the past. Space is too big for kilometers. A single galaxy can be hundreds of thousands of light years wide. Saying 9,460 billion kilometers over and over is impossible, so astronomers use light years, a yardstick that also tells you how far back in time you're looking. Light takes time to travel. If a galaxy is 2.5 million light years away, like Andromeda, its light left 2.5 million years ago. You're seeing ancient history, like a cosmic time machine built into the speed of light. Our Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. A beam of light starting on one side would need about 100,000 years to reach the other. That's why light years make sense. They match the scale of what we're measuring. So if someone says that star is 1,000 light years away, they're not talking about time passing. They're telling you its distance and that the light you see left 1,000 years ago. That's the trick. A light year is a distance that doubles as a clock. It keeps the numbers small and reminds us we're always looking into the past when we look into space. If that made the universe feel a bit clearer, hit subscribe for more bite-sized science.